In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the store language in Ecwid. This is a simple process that can make a big difference if you're catering to customers who speak different languages, or if you simply prefer to work with a different language in your store. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Ecwid control panel. This is where you have access to all the tools needed to manage your store. If you're not familiar with how to access the control panel, just head over to the Ecwid website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged into the control panel, it's time to navigate to the settings. On your dashboard, look for the settings option, which is usually located on the left-hand side. Give that a click. This section is like the control center for your store, where you can adjust various settings to suit your needs. With the settings menu open, your next step is to find and click on Regional Settings. This area lets you tailor your store's geographical preferences, including currency, time zones, and of course language. It's crucial to have these settings aligned with the demographic of your customers for a seamless shopping experience. Now, after you're in the regional settings, locate the language section. Clicking on this will guide you to further language preferences specific to your store. Following this, direct your attention to the language settings option. Here you can manage which languages are available for your site and choose the default language that your store customers will see. Remember, the right language setting could ease the navigation for your customers and make their shopping experience much more enjoyable. Once you're in the language settings, look for the option that says Change Store Language. This is the key step where you get to select the language you want your store to operate in. Select your desired language from the list available. Ecwid offers a variety of languages, so you're likely to find the one you need. After choosing your desired language, it's important not to forget the next step. Click on Save. There's nothing more frustrating than investing time in changes only for them not to be saved. By hitting save, you ensure all your adjustments take effect and your store language is updated. And there you have it, a straightforward way to change your store's language in Ecwid. Just to recap, you log into your control panel, navigate through settings, make your way to regional settings, then language settings, and finally update and save your preferred language. Whether you need to switch languages for yourself or your customers, Ecwid has made it quite simple. Thanks for watching, and happy